The Blinder Road 600. In this video, we're going to look at a front bike light by Knog, the Blinder Road 600. Inside it comes with a quick start guide and a USB charging cable. Just to go over some specs, this has two Cree LEDs with a max output of 600 lumens when both are on and 400 lumens on a single LED. You can toggle from low, medium, and high settings with 3 beam patterns. The left optic has a 12-degree beam providing a spotlight, which is perfect for racing, fast riding, or smooth roads. The right optic has a 32-degree beam providing a floodlight, which is best suited for use on slower rides, on bumpy or uneven riding conditions. And you can have both beams on for greater coverage. It also has a flashing mode where both optics will alternate, perfect for daytime use. Depending on the setting, it can last anywhere from 1 hour all the way up to 9 hours, and it takes 4 hours to fully charge. It's lightweight at 90 grams and IP67 waterproof. Looking at the light, you can see it has a dual LEDs. It feels well built and it's very light. On the bottom, you have the branding, and on the top, you have the mode and high and low buttons. The back has a silicone strap which just loops around the handlebar, and it locks into place on the top. It comes with an additional strap for larger diameter handlebars. And to change the strap, just press the red button to swap it out. On the back, you also find a USB-A charging port. Just pull out the port and you can plug it into a USB charger. You can also use the extension cable that it comes with. So putting on the light, it's pretty simple. As mentioned earlier, they do give you 2 bands depending on the size of your handlebar. So basically you just want to set it like so and then pull the band up over the this plastic notch here, and then it just seats into place. You can see it doesn't really move around, it's pretty stable. And then removing it, just lift up, pull the band out. Turning it on, you basically just press the mode button. And right now, you can see it's just the right side. You press it again, both of the LEDs will go on. And then press it again, it will alternate as far as the flashing. And then press it again, the left side will be on. And then the right side, both of the lights on, and then flashing, alternating. So on the right side, you have the high and low setting. Press the button, right now it's on the low. You have medium, press it again, and then you have high. And then with the mode, of course, you can have both the lights on or just one side. Here's how it looks at night. On the high setting with both LEDs on and low, medium, high as I toggle the brightness. And this is how it looks when the lights are flashing. Now this is on the high setting with both LEDs on. And now in daytime with the flashing mode. So the light is extremely bright and very visible during the day. Hopefully the video did capture the brightness, but I can tell you right now, you can definitely see this from far away as you see the lights are alternating, even on the high setting when both of the lights are on. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.